Hi, I'd like to introduce you to my vise. This is a vise that I've developed and designed since I started working on sculptured furniture, because on my old Tay-Fried workbench I had a chair fall off because I had a very poor way of holding it. What this is it's got a pivot point here with a steel 1.25" screw. It's got a fulcrum at the back. The fulcrum at the back has got a board that slides in from here, locks it in place. This goes through this hole right here, and here's the standard lock with the spacer that goes underneath. It's not very hard to assemble. The screw is dropped out the bottom. Now it pulls up in. Southpaws are like this. It's a lefty-tighty, righty-loosey. This piece goes underneath when you're tightening to provide that fulcrum on the far end and the pivot point here. This then pulls down very nicely. It's an 1.25" shaft on this, so it does a pretty good job of holding things. If you want to spread, you put your piece in there and open it up, and your pivot point and fulcrum in and pull it up in an upward direction.